understand the true weight of history, one must examine its instruments. Join us as we uncover the secrets of ancient warfare.
This was the reality of ancient warfare, a symphony of steel, fire, and the relentless barrage of arrows.
With a swift movement of the lever, the Chu-ko-nu could fire multiple arrows in quick succession, turning a single soldier into a formidable force multiplier during the siege.
The sky darkened as the barrage began. These were not mere arrows, but overwhelming force.
For centuries, the warring states plunged the land into chaos. It was here that the art of warfare and the...
As the dynasties shifted, so too did the instruments of war. The repeating crossbow, but it was the strategists during this tumultuous age who truly mastered the art of war. Their influence echoed. As the timeline moves forward, we see the ingenious modifications to the Chu-ko-nu. The trigger mechanism was... The Chu-ko-nu's genius lay in its interlocking components, the magazine feeding the bolts, and the precise mechanism allowing for rapid fire.
Observe the intricate dance of the gears. This lever, when engaged, simultaneously drew the bowstring and dropped a bolt from the magazine above.
As the wood is carefully chiseled, the molten metal is poured, beginning the arduous process of forging the repeating crossbow's critical components. The disparity is clear. The traditional bolt required significant draw weight, but the repeating crossbow utilized these smaller, light...
With a simple flick, the mechanism engages, and then...
The Chu-ko-nu, or repeating crossbow, was a significant advancement in ancient Chinese warfare. It allowed a single soldier to fire multiple... The ambush began with the distinctive clatter of the Chu-ko-nu. Designed for rapid fire rather than long range, these repeating the Chu-ko-nu. Its rapid fire capability meant that troop formations could unleash a constant, devastating volley, overwhelming enemy advances. The Chu-ko-nu, or repeating crossbow, unleashed a relentless hail of bolts, tearing through the enemy's front ranks. Designed for rapid fire, these formations of Chu-ko-nu units could unleash a continuous stream of bolts, overwhelming enemy lines before they could close the distance. The impact was tremendous. Even through thick wood and hide, the kinetic energy of the shot could shatter bone and demoralize the enemy lines. Chu-ko-nus. The Chu-ko-nu, or repeater crossbow, represented a significant leap in ancient warfare technology. This is the Chu-ko-nu, the repeating crossbow. It allowed a single soldier to unleash a rapid barrage of... Hidden within these diagrams are the forgotten techniques of the Chu-ko-nu, a weapon capable of unleashing 10 bolts. The Chu-ko-nu, or repeating crossbow, was a formidable weapon in ancient China, capable of unleashing a hail of arrows upon the enemy.
The Chu-ko-nu, the repeating crossbow, allowed archers to unleash a devastating barrage. Behind
the repeating crossbow, or Chu-ko-nu, was a weapon of both awe and terror. These schematics detail the...
By command of the Emperor, they fire as one.
Ready! Fire!
The repeating crossbow proved devastatingly effective in disciplined hands.
Here we see the intricate trigger mechanism of the repeating crossbow. A simple movement of the lever recocked the bow and loaded the next bolt instantly. The Chu-ko-nu, or repeating crossbow, represented a significant leap in ancient military technology. Few weapons inspired such dread. With a simple motion, this device could fire 10 bolts in 15 seconds. The Chu-ko-nu, a weapon of brutal efficiency. It redefined the speed of ancient warfare, unleashing a torrent. The Chu-ko-nu, or repeating crossbow, offered a devastating advantage in urban warfare. Firing a barrage of... The repeating crossbow, or Chu-ko-nu, delivered an unprecedented rate of fire. In the close confines of a naval... Reloading the Chu-ko-nu required practiced speed. In the heat of battle, a swift magazine change could mean the difference between life and death.
this viscous compound, derived from the venomous serpent, transformed a simple arrow into a silent, deadly weapon.
The arrowhead, dipped in a potent concoction of herbs and venom, guaranteed a swift and agonizing demise.
The Chu-ko-nu delivered its payload.
While the wood splinters, the true threat is the poison now seeping into the stronghold.
The key to the repeating crossbow's power lay in this self-feeding mechanism, allowing a single soldier to maintain a relentless barrage. As the archer's finger presses the sear, the sophisticated bronze mechanism activates, releasing the string and propelling the bolt forward at high velocity. A marvel of ancient engineering, the Chu-ko-nu's cutaway reveals its intricate workings. The synchronized movement of these weathered scrolls contain the meticulous designs of Zhuge Liang himself, a testament to his strategic genius. Zhuge Liang was more than a strategist. These recovered bamboo slips detail the designs for the repeating crossbow. The inscriptions offer conflicting narratives. This has led to a vigorous historical debate, primarily centering on two distinct theories.
These wooden stocks were the heart of the repeating crossbow, each one meticulously carved by skilled hands, a testament to their disciplined labor.
To maintain the Empire's edge, these metalworkers forged the very heart of the repeating crossbow. Precision was paramount, and the demand was relentless. Each weapon was rigorously tested. A single failure could compromise the entire regiment. In the hands of a skilled hunter, the Chu-ko-nu was a formidable weapon. Its rapid-fire mechanism revolutionized the hunt. When wild boars threatened the harvest, the repeating crossbow provided a swift and decisive defense, firing multiple arrows in mere seconds. As the golden hour fades, the training intensifies. The spear, a simple tool, becomes an extension of the protector's will. As trade routes expanded from China, so did the exchange of military technology. This Korean
These routes facilitated the spread of military technology. Examining the Japanese design, we see a unique evolution.
This map illustrates the profound cultural exchange of the era. The genius of Chinese metallurgy and engineering. The age of the crossbow was ending. The decisive, destructive force of the matchlock musket now dominated the field.